What is Buddhism? That's the question. It is one of the major religions of the world and one of the more ancient religions of humanity. But it's not like many religions. It is sometimes called a non-theistic religion and very different from lots of other religions. Is it a philosophy? Yes, it is not only a philosophy, it's a set of philosophies, lots of different philosophies. Is it a tool to train our mind? Yes, it is. There is a variety of methods to train ourselves to become not only a better human being, but also to become a perfect human being, on how to deal with our emotions, on how to transform our whole being. Is it a spiritual path of understanding ourselves? Yes, it's a spiritual path, not only to understand ourselves, but completely transform ourselves. And it's also many different methods in it, as required for many different type of people. Is it a lifestyle that is defined by wholesome and unwholesome actions? Yes, it's very much that to start with, and to try to act in a wholesome way with our body, speech, and mind, so that we can be a good human being, a helping human being, positive human being, and help ourselves and help everybody else around us. But it is also more. It's also a science of mind, to understand not only intellectually, but also experience, and understand the different our mind, ourselves, and also science to find the truth, to understand the true nature of everything, including ourselves, not only academically or intellectually, but also to experience that truth, to experience that ultimate, the nature of the way we are. And therefore it is also a system, or the different ways, different methods, as it is needed for each and every person. It's not just one path, it's lots of different methods and means to transform ourselves. So therefore, basically, it is how to solve all the problems of humanity, how to bring an end to our pain, suffering, problem, difficulties, and to find a way to solve all these problems, to attain a lasting peace and happiness within an individual and also through that way, for the whole society, So therefore, it is also based on how to transform, how to find the solution to the problems of the world. So therefore, it is all of that, and it is very much a search that is not based on a belief system, but investigation and research and experiments through meditation, through action, through investigation. So therefore, it's not something that a teacher or the finder or the founder of the religion will tell you, you should do this, you should not do this. If you cannot do this, you can do this. Not like that. But it is, like a guide. If you do this, this might happen. If you do this, this may not happen. It's like a doctor's, give you diagnosis and recommend different medicines and things like that, and then it's up to you whether how much you listen to the doctor and take the medicine or not. And there's nobody to make you do this or not do this. So therefore, it's a different system of religion, different system of thinking. It's a different way of training. It's in Buddhism, you'll find almost anything you like. You'll find psychology, healing, training, philosophies, science, anything. Religion also.